Sino ka kapag wala nang kumakampi sa'yo? Interesting, right? Pag-usapan natin to. Hi guys, welcome back to Real Talk Hustle for today. Real Talk. Darating ang araw na wala ng cheer, wala ng support, wala ng reassurance. At doon lalabas ang tanong, kaya mo bang tumayong mag-isa? According to Stoic principle, self-leadership is the highest form of strength. Hard truth, hindi lahat ng laban may kasama. At okay lang yon. Kaya, anong gagawin? Try natin 3 practical Stoic anchors. 1. Be your own standard. Hindi opinyon ng iba ang basehan mo. 2. Train emotional independence. Hindi ka dapat dependent sa validation o comfort ng iba. 3. Commit to your values, not moods. Values stay, emotions pass. Kaya tandaan, when you stop needing people to stand with you, you become unshakable. Sana may natutunan kayo guys. I'm Catherine Eucor and once again you're watching Real Talk Hustle where we turn pain into power.